this crossroads, we are reminded that every ending is also a new beginning, a chance to grow and redefine ourselves.
Change can be daunting, but farewells teach us to embrace it with an open heart. They remind us that growth often comes from stepping outside our comfort zone and venturing into the unknown. While there may be a sense of loss in saying goodbye, there is also an undeniable source of hope. Hope for new experiences, new connections, and new achievements. Farewells urge us to channel our emotions into optimism and use our past as a foundation for future. This balance of sentimentality and hope that gives farewells their profound meaning.
Farewell is the day of celebration and departure, the day of joy and sadness. Today, we stand at the crossroads of emotion, filled with joyous memories and a hint of melancholy, as we bid farewell to our beloved twins, who have been more than just seniors to us. Dear twins, our journey together has been a time of growth, discovery, and profound companionship.
Farewells are a powerful reminder of the strength and beauty of togetherness. They bring to light the connections we build with our friends, mentors, and peers who have shaped us into who we are today. It is these bonds that have supported us during challenging times and amplified our joys during moments of triumph. The significance of farewell lies in acknowledging that while we may go on our separate ways, the essence of these relationships remains. They are the invisible threads that will continue to tie us together no matter the time or distance. Farewell is not about letting go, but about carrying forward the spirit of togetherness into the next phase of our lives.
A farewell is a time to celebrate journey we shared, a journey filled with moments that have shaped us in countless ways. It is a time to appreciate the challenges that tested us, the milestone that we are proud, and the quick and unassuming moments that brought joy in our days. The significance of journey is not only in just we achieve, but in whom we became along the way. As we look back, we see a tapestry of experience, the laughter, the lessons, the late nights, and the friendship that had become a bedrock of our memories. This farewell is a celebration of everything that made this chapter of our lives unforgettable.